Prime Minister Modi paid tributes to the heroes and the martyrs of the Kargil war 20 years after they pushed back Pakistan from the Indian soil in the Dras sector. Expressing his gratitude, Prime Minister Modi addressed the audience and paid homage to the brave hearts who laid their lives in the service of our motherland. He hit out at Pakistan for its duplicity on the issue of Kashmir and the proxy war from across the border.
कारगिल में विजय भारत के वीर बेटे बेटियों के अदम्य साहस की जीत थी। भारत के संकल्पों की जीत थी। कारगिल में विजय भारत के सामर्थ्य और संयम की जीत थी। सरकारें आती जाती रहती हैं, लेकिन देश के लिए जो जीने और मरने की परवाह नहीं करते, वो अजर अमर होते हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying tributes to the heroes and martyrs of Kargil war 20 years after they pushed back Pakistanis from Indian soil in the Dras sector. In 1999, Pakistan tried to encroach upon our territory by covertly sending troops to India. Operation Vijay was launched to push back the intruders. The Kargil battle, which was fought at 15,000 feet, is a symbol of the courage and valor of Indian soldiers. Even in those challenging circumstances, our brave hearts displayed exemplary bravery and keen strategy. We lost over 500 of our beloved comrades. Saluting them, the Prime Minister hit out at Pakistan for its duplicity on the issue of Kashmir. He said its ill intentions were defeated in 1999 when India gave a befitting reply at Kargil.
शुरू से ही कश्मीर को लेकर छल करता रहा। 1999 में उसका छल पहले की तरह फिर एक बार छल की छलनी कर दी गई। उस समय अटल जी ने कहा था, हमारे पड़ोसी को लगता था कि कारगिल को लेकर भारत प्रतिरोध करेगा, विरोध प्रकट करेगा और तनाव से दुनिया डर जाएगी। रोने गिड़गिड़ाने के बजाय प्रभावी जवाब देने का यही रणनीतिक बदलाव दुश्मन पर भारी पड़ गया।
Without naming Pakistan, Prime Minister Modi said the country is still smarting from the defeat 20 years ago and continues to fuel terrorism in India. Its aim is to destroy peace and tranquility and create an atmosphere of instability in the country. But our brave hearts continue to foil these attempts. Prime Minister appealed to all to unite against terror.
युद्ध में पराजित कुछ लोग छद्म युद्ध के सहारे अपना राजनीतिक मकसद पूरा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। आज समय की मांग है कि मानवता में विश्वास रखने वाली सभी शक्तियां सशस्त्र बलों के साथ समर्थन में खड़ी हो, तभी आतंकवाद का प्रभावी तौर पर मुकाबला किया जा सकता है।
Families of Kargil martyrs as well as war heroes were special invitees at the event. Prime Minister Modi saluted not just the soldiers but also their family members who forsake the tomorrow for our today. Prime Minister said that since 2014 his government has been working tirelessly for the welfare of the forces. The long-standing demand of one rank, one pension, construction of the very first National War Memorial as well as increasing scholarships for children of martyrs are just some of the steps taken in this direction. But government is also committed to modernization of defence forces. Sudhakar Das's report, ET News.